Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Dualsense Edge to at least 20% and power it off. On your PC, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and enable Bluetooth. Make sure your adapter supports Bluetooth Low Energy or Classic mode. This matters for stable input and disconnect behavior. Once Bluetooth is on, press and hold the Create and Play Station buttons on the controller until the light bar flashes. This puts the controller into pairing mode so your PC can discover it. Now perform the actual pairing on Windows. Click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and wait for Wireless Controller to appear in the list. Select it. If Windows prompts for pairing code, enter 0000 or confirm the request. Most PCs will simply accept. After connecting, Windows may automatically install drivers. Allow that to finish. If drivers fail, open Device Manager, find the controller, and update drivers manually. Once drivers are installed, test basic inputs in the Xbox Game Bar or Steam to confirm connectivity. Finish by configuring the controller. In Steam Big Picture or Input Mapper, set the Dualsense Edge as your preferred input and enable PS button mapping if needed. Make sure firmware is current using Sony's updater when connected via USB. If you encounter lag or disconnects, remove the device from Bluetooth, restart the PC, and repair. Also disable Bluetooth power saving in Device Manager. If problems persist, try a different adapter or USB wired connection to isolate whether the issue is Bluetooth related.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.